Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add threads link in Instagram bio. So let's get started. First, you want to open Instagram. Now you're going to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. From here, you're going to click on Edit Profile. Now all you have to do is simply turn this option on. And that's it. So now when you go back to your profile, the threads link will be on your bio. Now if you wish to remove it, you simply just have to repeat the same steps. You click on Edit Profile. Then you turn this option off. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.